This event tonight showcases 250 years of American history. It also showcases the value of the partnership between Pakistan and the United States, that it's not just in one realm of global politics, which is significant and very important, but also in fashion, in arts, in culture and entrepreneurship.
I feel that these kind of events are like a really good platform for such creative artists, because it brings around everyone from different sectors of art, because art is not limited to one thing. There are actually different categories to it. So when you create an event like this, people from different platforms, they combine on one platform, and it's a really great thing.